Hi love, so this is my makeup. I'm wearing this lovely dress. I've changed to a lovely white dress. So this is how I look. This dress on. Hi guys, check out my favorite body wash. Garden Glory Bath and Body. It's very beautiful. Hi guys, check out my new makeup brush. This is my body wash, body lotion. If you need help with investments, you can consult with great banks in Lagos, Nigeria, such as FCMB. You can consult with GTB Bank, Guaranty Trust Bank. You can consult with United Bank of Africa. There are so many banks. In real estate is booming, is a booming business in Nigeria, in Lagos, Nigeria, in Abuja. Many people love to invest in real estate, so you can invest with Oxford Group Properties. You can invest with P1 Properties. You can invest with Crossing Churchills. Okay, you can invest with Revolution Plus Properties. So Revolution Plus, I believe about 6 months ago I talked about Revolution Plus Properties. Okay, so you can invest in landed properties and get yourself a piece of land. Sometimes in Asaba you can get a piece of land for 500,000 naira. In Port Harcourt you can get it for 800,000 naira, 1 million naira. So let's assume you get a piece of land for 800,000 naira in Port Harcourt in the year 2022, January 2022. You can sell it. Hello everybody, now I'm going to talk about foreign exchange. So a few months ago I created a similar content related to foreign exchange. So foreign exchange is known as forex trading. So hello everybody, now I'm going to talk about foreign exchange. So a few months ago Hello everybody, now I'm going to talk about foreign exchange. So a few months ago I created a similar content related to foreign exchange. So foreign exchange is known as forex trading. So now I'm going to talk about universities. So you have University of Nigeria Nsukka, you have University of Ibadan, you have Enugu State University of Applied Sciences. So these are great universities in Nigeria. So if you want to study, I do recommend University of Ibadan, University of Lagos. If you do want to go to a private university, you can study at Ibinedion University. So what are the difference between private and public university? Private universities a little bit more expensive than the public, so to speak, or the general universities, right, owned by the government. Private is mostly owned by individuals. So you have Ibinedion University or Kada. We also have Madonna University, which is a private university. So this is basically Nigerian delights / Dutch delights and European delights, so to speak, because I'm going to mention some goods and services you can find in Nigeria and also find abroad. So there are several restaurants in Nigeria. You have Genesis restaurants in VR. You have Kilimanjaro restaurants. Kilimanjaro is basically in most cities in Nigeria. So you have Kilimanjaro in Lagos, you have Kilimanjaro in Abuja, you have Kilimanjaro in Owerri, and so many other cities in Nigeria. Now we're going to talk about universities. So this is the fitting of the dress. I love filming and enjoy wearing very comfortable, convenient outfits whenever I'm filming. So yeah, this is a great outfit. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye. I love you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Until next time. Bye. So guys, my laundry just arrived. Dry, cleaned, very tidy. Guys, please forgive my sweaty face, okay? So there are some exciting places I would recommend you visit whenever you come to Lagos. So you can eat at Domino Pizza or at Genesis restaurant. If you want to buy very nice cosmetics, you can buy it from MedPlus. And for healthcare, you may want to visit Evercare Hospital. So Evercare is in Lakey. So in Lakey Admiralty Way, that's where Evercare. Okay, I'm going to use this opportunity to mentor persons that has genuine interest in finding a job, you know, as someone that wants to do remote jobs. So you just can't go wrong by checking on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very good website for finding remote jobs as well, indeed. So if you go on my website, blacknut.me, blacknut.me/Dutch Delight, blacknut.me/American Delight, blacknut.me/Pagan Delight, you're going to find a lot of job. I've been listed the remote jobs. So yeah, just check it out and apply for a job remotely. So remote jobs are fun because you can actually work anywhere in the whole wild world. You can be in the Netherlands working for a brand in London. You can be in the Netherlands working for a brand in Japan. You can be in the Netherlands working for Philips.